Hey YouTube, I actually ordered a new radiator. It's I think it's a dual core. That's the one I ordered. So it has, instead of having a single, it's got two. Because I noticed my car, the temperature kind of goes up, but I'm also running the stock head studs, which obviously it's not going to hold. But I'm only running it like maybe 4 or 5 psi. From the boost gauge, from what it says, it's like around 4, 4.5. So I noticed the temperature after I keep flooring it, it'll eventually start getting hot. Could be the head gasket, but I don't care because I already ordered a new head gasket and I got the ARP head studs. I just never installed them yet. I just wanted to see how long it can go before the head would just blow, which I don't care because I have another motor soon. So, but I'm gonna be doing an unboxing, so here it is. Obviously, you can see it's a DNA motor ring. I ordered on eBay. This whole build is gonna be budget build. Because I know some people out there don't have a lot of money, obviously like me, so I just buy the cheaper stuff. And I've been driving my car now for about 2.5 weeks, almost 3 weeks, with that eBay turbo kit with stock head studs and the stock head gasket. And I haven't really had any issues besides the coolant spewing out of it after I hit boost, because I think my head gasket's finally going slowly. But if I drive it normal, it doesn't overheat. I mean, it doesn't get too hot, it just gets up there. But yeah, here we go. Only took a few days. I paid about, I think, $65 for it. It should have came with the slim fan. It's a 12-inch. It's like 1750 CFM or some shit. So, and I looked up the reviews, and the reviews were good about it. So, we'll see. All right, I'm gonna pause it so I can cut this. It's really hard to cut it with one hand and open it. The box is open. Fan right here. I'm gonna do wide angle. That's better. All right, hold on. There we go. Okay, that's got to be the fan. At least they wrapped it decent. So far, oh, it even comes with a radiator cap. I'm shocked. Nice. All aluminum. Dang, looks pretty good. Hopefully it holds. Radiator cap. Okay, doesn't want to come off. Hell is it going? Yeah. Well, let's check out the fan. Alright, so I grabbed the fan out. Looks pretty decent. Obviously it's not going to go on like... Oh, actually yes it is. It's going to go on this side. It's 2 wires. And I believe it came with stuff to hook it up. Yeah, I did. Hopefully. There we go. Obviously, I'll show you how to install it and everything. I'll be posting that video tomorrow. Just wanted to keep you guys updated. I know it's been about 2 weeks now since I uploaded. So I've just been working a lot. And I have tomorrow off, so I'll be able to do this. So this video is going to be pretty short. But tomorrow I'll do a radiator install and I'll do a pull with the new radiator and see how the temperature holds up. If worse comes to worse, I'll start doing the head studs and head gasket, and I'll do a how-to video on that. That way, yeah, so everyone can learn. All right, later YouTube.